Let me save you years of frustration. Your body isn't the problem. Here are 3 signs to prove it. I wanted to do what I wanted to do, right? And start accepting I did not feel beautiful. I don't have no special superpowers. If I did it, you can too. What's up, ladies? My name is Rosie, and I make content for women to finally accept themselves as they are and to rebuild their self-image, confidence, and style that they have been missing so that they can look in the mirror and feel proud again without losing a single pound. Let's do this. Sign 1. You talk to yourself like an enemy and not an ally. If your inner critic sounds like criticism and not compassion, then a shift needs to be made. You are still in that old identity that is pushing you towards speaking that way to yourself. And I have been there. I would say crazy things to myself, like, why bother? You are getting older. Who cares anymore? I used to think about that, right? Like, when can I give up on myself? Is it going to be in my late 60s or what, right? I used to count down because I wanted to do what I wanted to do, right? I didn't want to challenge myself. I didn't want to be consistent. All of those things when you give up on yourself, right? Because you're looking in that mirror and you don't like what you see and you're saying those things. But you cannot give up. You cannot let your inner critic win. You have to change those thoughts, right? And you have to challenge them and say things instead of, I'm never going to be the size I was in my 20s, to say, I am going to be the size that, feels good to me at this stage in my life. The negativity, if you think about it, for anything in your life, it will not allow you to move forward in a positive manner. I don't care what it is. You're not going to succeed until you change in your mind first. And then you are able to see small steps of you moving in the right direction. No amount of dieting will fix that negative self-talk. Women feel like if they lose the weight, automatically you will snap your finger and you will be like, oh, I feel so good. I'm so happy. I love my body now. That is not true. All it will do, if you have never checked that inner critic and made it go away, it is going to focus on something else. Then it's going to be my breast or, my nose or something else. It's going to start zeroing in on, like I said, something else because you have not checked that. You have not spent the amount of time to now switch that mindset to say, look, this is who I am becoming, right? This is the stage of life I'm in right now. And start accepting. Here we're talking about your body. But like I said, it could be for anything in your life. But here, this is who I'm becoming and I'm proud. No, I don't love everything about my body. Yes, I still have things that I may want to, fix. But I am starting to, get there. I'm looking in the mirror and saying, I love the woman I'm becoming, instead of tearing that person down every chance you get. Does anybody relate to what I'm saying? I know you do, right? I know you do. I cannot be the only person, the woman over 40 that has gone through this. As we navigate perimenopause and menopause, it's a different stage of life. And no diet will ever fix that inner critic. You need to take the steps to check that inner critic and get it back in line with where you want your life to go. When I shifted this with women that I work with and with myself, their confidence skyrocketed. And that was long before their body ever changed. Can you see that shift for yourself? Do you believe that that can happen for you? If you are ready to talk about your own transformation, DM me over on Instagram the word call, and I'll see if you're a fit for my program. Sign 2, you're dressing for the body you used to have and not for the body you have now. This creates daily discomfort, shame, and avoidance. Not too long ago, I was there. I was doing it. I was stuffing myself into clothes that no longer served me. It wasn't me. I know you feel the same way too. It did not make me feel good. I was always tugging and pulling and tugging, knowing that I should not be wearing it. I had a closet full of clothes that, I was not ready to let go of. But until I let that go and say, I'm not there. This is not where my body is. And buy clothes that made me feel good. You can imagine how you will feel if you just buy clothes in your current size that will make you feel beautiful again. That is what I was missing for over 3 years when I could not lose those pounds, right? And it took me 3 years to lose those 5 pounds. I did not feel beautiful because I was dressing for that old identity, that hidden woman that I had become. And I was never her before. I had never, been ashamed of my body. I had never not, held my head up high. I was always a confident person. Let that weight hit you. The most confident person will change. And for me, that transformation again occurred when I started dressing for my current size. I loved the skin I was in again. I actually wanted to stay out longer because I felt like somebody didn't see my outfit long enough, right? It's funny how simple things like that just snaps you back to being yourself again. And you can do that too. I don't have no special superpowers. If I did it, you can too. Sign 3. You are carrying invisible weight, not physical weight. Being in this predicament is very stressful. The thing is, you want to be further along than you are. I have been there, you have been there. And that is just not the case. And because we are going through this journey, we are stressed out about it. Why can't I be where I want to be? I want a quick fix since this is not working. And when you get the quick fix results, and because you have not laid down that foundation, you are stressed again. Because guess what? Most people gain weight back in less than 5 years. So why not lay that foundation and accept your body the way it is currently? Get that good foundation and not have all of that stress, depletion. After all of that, trying, failing, quick fixes, all of that, you are depleted. You have nothing left to give. And that is not a good space to be in. But I had been there. Resentment Have you ever felt like your body was betraying you? I was saying to myself, who are you? Where did this come from? I felt like, this just couldn't be where I am today. My stomach looked like I was 3 months pregnant. I couldn't accept that at first. It took a while, and the resentment was just crazy. Guilt. I felt like a failure. Have you ever felt like a failure? I knew it wasn't all my fault. Yes, I contributed to eating reckless and crazy, but also the stage of life, right? Entering into perimenopause, having all those symptoms, and just knowing that a part of that is weight gain, right? A part of that is being tired, that you don't even want to make the effort to do anything. But again, you have to fight through those things. We don't know how because, again, we have never been in this body, before, going through this transition before. So it is all new. But that guilt is something that stays with you until it is checked. Comparison. Have you ever played that game? I surely have. It's like, look at her. Why can't I be like her? Why doesn't my body look like that? Why does it take me, so much longer to achieve the same results? Or if she can do it, what's wrong with me? Why can't I do it? All of those things you go through, I went through. It's normal, but you can't stay there. You have to figure out a way to get out of that comparison. I had to learn that my journey was different from Erica and Tanisha. Most people that I was comparing myself to was not on the same playing field as me. I was trying to do mine naturally. You're looking at somebody that has had surgery or a quick fix. Nothing wrong with that. I feel like whatever you need to do to get you to, where you want to be is fine. It's just not my story. It's not my journey that I want to go on. All of those things I had to put into place and say, you are running your own unique race. You'll get there. Just don't give up. All of these things that I mentioned, they weigh more on you than any number on a scale does. But once we release them, you start showing up differently. Pick any of these 3 signs that we just went over and DM me over on IG, the word shift, and I will send you a personal voice note to show you how to start with the first step in correcting these things. This is exactly how I went from hiding in photos to confidently helping women rebuild their self-image. I know the road because I walked it first. Well, that's all I have. As I always leave you, we have 20 to 30 good summers left, and we are not going to waste them. Until next time, bye-bye.